This attractive package showed up on my doorstep upon my return from Japan. It was because I couldn't fit in my luggage. One of the bags I was able to fit in my check-in contained collars and harnesses that were admissible. If you notice the bag, there's a cute Shiba stamp on it. On the reverse side, you'll see distinct characteristics of a Shiba. Let's take a look inside and see what we were able to bring home safely. 5 sets of assorted leashes and matching harnesses. The harnesses are custom fitted, so it's encouraged to have your dog's measurements before placing an order. Each harness extends up to 2 meters or 6 feet each. The fabric is made of cotton, polyester, and nylon. You can choose the fabric and texture. There are many tiers, from simple, colorful, and even the most extravagant ones are made from retired kimonos. Each package is carefully inspected and secured to ensure there is no damage or tampering. If the seal has been broken either through the gift wrap or the plastic covering, it has been tampered with, and Kazumi-San should be notified to resolve any issues you may encounter. Inside, you'll be welcomed with a brochure of what the business has to offer beyond dog equipment. Each item is thoughtfully packaged, and included is a collector card of every dog photographed by the skilled work of Jun-San. His special talent is to get not one, but several dozens of Shibas to sit still for a picture. If you know anything about Shibas, you'll agree this is a rare talent. I get really excited when it comes to accessories for my pups. As you can tell, I've purchased multiple sets, one for basically every season. Eventually, I'll sort these out accordingly and conduct a friendly giveaway to my viewers. As I dig deeper, I discovered an item I don't recall. It appears to be a shirt that matches the ones purchased for my Shibas. Let's take a look at the contents in all its glory. The first item is a harness, accompanied by a kaiken named Moko. She's actually a model dog and a big star in Japan during her prime. You'll discover many valuable cards in each package. Treasure them as these are very limited and fun to look at. I keep all of mine in a card album. Also, another celebrity here is made the Kishu-ken, which many identify them as white Shiba Inu. This pink Sakura design is very popular. It boasts several properties that make it highly desirable. The texture gives it a dimensional appearance, while the Sakura petals add contrast in a subtle manner. The fabric itself has a reflective material applied and acts as a safety net during evening strolls. When connected, it projects a satisfying sound that has been secured. Beside the Sakura collars are these 2 other designs, one in ume, which can easily be confused with sakura flowers, which is to the right. The idea of having multiple collars and harnesses helped me pair their clothing for winter through summer. Winter for darker colors and spring for brighter colors. I enjoy seeing different varieties and combinations on my Shibas. These are personalized shirts with their names custom printed and made to order. This purple shirt is for Kiku-chan and the indigo shirt is for Yuzu-san. These fit perfectly on my pups and they did not have any issues with movement. The clothing is pre-shrunk, so they'll fit natively without any issues. Make sure to have their size before placing an order, as it does take time to produce these. The branding is precisely placed and the sleeves added more appeal, and the printed names made it feel very personalized. Among the shirts, I also acquired fashionable sweaters. These can be worn casually or during cold weather as outerwear. Also more handbags in multiple colors and shirts. I acquired many bags in various colors. It helps me organize essentials for my pups. One unique item that caught my attention was a lucky dog tag. It's a personalized tag made of Japanese cedar. It's known to repel bugs, and this includes fleas due to the natural scent it emits. These are laser engraved and embossed in a manner that will resist moisture and exposure to natural elements. The Japanese cedar itself is hand selected from sustainable tree sources. Included are stainless steel clips designed specifically for these tags. The rings are smooth and will not cause any damage to the tags due to their smooth surface. Behind the tag, you'll find their signature arabesque design. On the face side, you'll be presented with your pup's name. In this case, it's Kiku-chan's. A wide range of accessories and apparel can be discovered from this shop. There are also stickers and dog treats. One of my pup's favorite accessories is this expandable lucky collar. If you look closely, you'll see a mini capsule. Inside, you can store a blessed temple note or just a secret message you'd like to secure with your pet, such as the personal information in the event that they are lost. I've inserted temple charms that have been blessed by their parents. They were given to me by our breeder, and they've been stored inside these capsules ever since. It's a great memento for both luck and their parents to always be with them no matter where they are. Yuzu-san is very attached to his collar, although he doesn't get aggressive when we remove it for his bath, but he does get sad. After his bath when he's dried, he'll sit perfectly still for you to put it back on him, followed by strong signs of his affection. These necklaces should be hand washed in warm water with mild dish soap and air dry. Although they're stain resistant, it's still recommended to clean it if you give your pups a bath. These necklaces are widely used in Japan and very popular for small breeds. It's not uncommon for them to be blessed and gifted to newly adopted family members. Multiple colors are available but very limited as they're made from retired kimono fabric. Let's look closer at these lucky dog tags. It looks like simple wood, but it's made of Japanese cedar. As any cedar, they're known to have properties that deter bugs. This is a great addition to accessorize your pets instead of the traditional metal chains that create a lot of unpleasant sounds your dogs dislike. These tags are skillfully torched to imbue a fire-resistant coating. This creates a natural layer to protect it from harmful UV rays, moisture, and even collisions with other hard objects. In case you didn't notice, even the drilled holes have a protective layer. Pair them up with the stainless steel clips and you've got an indestructible design. These bags are simple and practical with the shoulder strap. They're not too big or too small. Ideal to carry dog essentials when traveling short distances or a walk. Pull out your translator app if you don't read Japanese and see what it says. I think you'll be surprised. Use the handle for light loads or switch to the shoulder strap for heavier hands-free loads. You can choose between cream, black, gray, and even red. Personalized shirts for Kiku-Chan and Yuzu-san, which are a matching set for myself in addition to comfy sweaters. Branding and logos are located throughout the shirt, adding a modern stylish appearance, and let's not ignore the double sleeve stitching. The elastic band ensures a tight and comfortable seal around the neck, arms, and waistline. The printing itself will not fade, as I can confirm after dozens of high temperature washes. These sweaters are high quality. One of these days I'll wear them into the store and pretend to be an employee there. Design is really simple and very attractive. They're also very comfortable, pre-shrunk, and not prone to fading. I've washed this multiple times and have yet to notice any fading. The branding themselves are still intact after inspecting them. I'm confident they will last through the test of time, as well as apparel for my pups. Stickers are also available for those who like to slap things. Slap it and let it stick. These can easily be reused if you would like to place them on your luggage, liquid carrier, mobile, or tablet cases. It may appear as I'm collecting these accessories given the amount I've acquired. Secretly I am, but I also use many of them. Seriously, I've also given several away. Perhaps I could start a giveaway for those interested in acquiring these and do not have an opportunity to visit the shop. Among all the leashes, my favorite is this colorful retired kimono design. It's very limited, and by the time you see this video, it's likely sold out. I really love the contrast it provides. It has more of a masculine feel surrounding sakura flowers, with the addition of beautiful gold accents. These steel clips have been tested for well over 80 pounds. They're polished and hardened to resist rust. We can be assured visiting a beach will not ruin these. The rivets themselves are no different. They too are made of rust-resistant steel. The attention to detail cannot be ignored. The threading used for the binding is perfectly matched. The solid ring design makes it very simple to adjust the length when you're stationary or during movement. The integrated belt is beyond elastic and will bend in any shape while resisting tear. The polished ring easily adjusts to any size you desire. Over time, the leash will become more elastic. Since it's new and unused, everything will appear very stiff. These high-quality metal clips and clasps are made in Japan, so you can rest assured these are rust-resistant and will survive the test of time. My pups enjoy being accessorized and decorated. I'm very fortunate to be able to acquire so many of these handmade treasures. Minor details in these collars make it so fun to wear. These high-quality clasps have a satisfying click when they're connected. The adjustable belt allows you to extend an additional 6 inches as needed. These are the type of equipment you only need a single set to last for a lifetime. The glide bar easily slides across the surface of the belt with minimal friction to prevent damaging the fine threading. Just enough pressure to hold sizing adjustments stationary. The simple design for the locking mechanism and resizing makes it very simple to adjust within a few seconds. It's also very easy to put on and remove as a single hand operation. The harness is on another level. It's low profile, made with perfection to be both practical and allow full exposure of your pet's beautiful fur. The spacious ring allows multiple hooks to be joined if you plan to link more than one dog for a group walk. There's plenty of space to do so with no issues with multiple rings coming into contact with each other. The clasps are sourced locally in Japan to ensure quality. Each harness is fully tested and thoughtfully designed to work in conjunction with the leashes. Similar design to the collar, but with expanded options that allows for the fur to be displayed in comfort, while safely securing your pet with peace of mind. Adjustments can easily be made to both the collar and the leash with this intuitive design. The leash is sewn in a manner that draws out the details of the textures and graphics. The core fortifies the strength while making it extremely elastic. The rated weight for this specific leash is 90 to 100 pounds. Larger and thicker leashes are available for much larger dogs. The clip easily hooks to the D-ring with the single hand operation. The shape of the leash is allowed to be safely rolled up to avoid any unintentional damage. Each leash has been tested for quality and assurance prior to customer handoff. I was able to witness the same leashes used on a 100-pound Akita at an Osaka dog fair. The swivel clasp design prevents kinks and tangles which over time will damage the integrity of the leash. These harnesses are fully adjustable for an overweight or underweight dog. I actually use it to monitor the health of my pups in regards to weight, as it helps me determine how frequently our pups need to be walked and also food portion control. The clips are very sturdy and I have a lot of faith in them, as I've owned a set for well over 3 years and have had zero issues. Taking a closer look at these personalized shirts, the branding is a signature Shiba outline. It's accompanied by Kiku-chan's name in the traditional hanko. The bright red stamp brings out the authenticity of this design. If you reverse it, you'll see additional branding logos which adds more to the highly decorated shirt. Every collar, harness, and leash is thoughtfully designed in a manner that extends not only the longevity of the graphics, but will also be the last set of equipment you'll ever purchase for your pups. The addition of this wardrobe for my pups helped me understand why it's important to have a high quality set of daily wears. It provides the confidence I need without ever having to worry about safety issues. With that in mind, let's see the fit and form. Oh look, our first customer, Yuzu-san. Provide high reward treats to encourage good behavior, especially when dressing up. As I noted earlier, the equipment themselves are very simple to put on and remove. We'll start with Yuzu-san and then with Kiku-chan. The placement of the hook and clasp make it simple for a single hand operation. In terms of comfort, they're not bothered by anything. The fit is perfect once you've adjusted to meet their body shape. The form helps maintain their stoic posture. One of the biggest features I like about this design is its low profile, to the point where Shiba's most desired feature is honorably displayed. Its beautiful fur, not irritated or bothered by the placement of the harness. When they're worn, they're not showing any signs of distress. The D-ring is static, compared to a collar that has to be located each time they're worn. The posture is extremely important. This determines their mobility and long-term health. If they're slouching or displaying an uneven posture, it's strongly advised not to use that specific equipment. Kiku-chan's posture is perfect. She too agrees it's very comfortable. Given the size of the D-rings, we have a short leash that's connected between the two for a tandem leash, which makes this beyond practical. This is their first time trying this harness, and it appears that they are more comfortable with this than the ones I purchased domestically. Their exposed fur allows them comfort, especially during warmer weathers. The harness can be worn over outerwear during colder weather. Just remember to adjust the harness to avoid discomfort for your pups. Their movement isn't constricted or forced in a direction that they aren't comfortable. This design allows them to move in their natural form. If we look closely at the neck and the belly, it's locked in a position that doesn't compromise their posture or harm them in any way, even in the event of a forceful pull to disengage them out of harm's way. After trying multiple styles and designs, I can definitely read their eyes and understand that this is what they're comfortable with. Or maybe they're just tired. Let's try on Kiku-chan's shirt. We'll check the elasticity to see how much we can stretch this and adjust to her body. Make sure it's not too tight, otherwise it'll constrict her breathing ability. Carefully place the rolled shirt over the head and slowly pull it down. Do not force your pups to fit. This prevents injury and should be avoided if your pups refuse to move. Once you've identified the shirt isn't too tight, gently slide their paws into the sleeves. Make sure the arm area isn't too tight. Inspect their posture and adjust the shirt to shape their body. Acknowledge and praise your pups for doing a fantastic job and for being patient. A high reward treat should be given at this time. The contour looks great. It holds the body shape with no obvious signs of constriction. Aside from the fur, it looks like a perfect fit for her. For Yuzu-san, we can do a body check and see if it'll fit him. It looks like a perfect size to me. Start with the head and slowly slip the shirt in. Then gently roll it down the body. It looks perfect for him too. It's recommended the harness should be worn over the shirt to provide the best experience for your pups, especially when the weather isn't fair, such as wind being a factor or other elements. I went out and tested several combinations to determine if they're not only artistic, but practical in realistic situations. Several leash, harness, and collar combinations were tested and they're happy with all options. This leash setup can also be used in a no-pull harness or even a martingale collar if you desire. I was very pleased and confident with the results. These were easy to use hands-free, or converted into a leash. They didn't get tangled or crossed, it was so simple to adjust in any situation during movement. My setup consists of a double hook, where a small clip is connected directly to the collar and one separately for the harness. This creates a safety net in the event that your Shiba or pup is a professional escape artist. The combination of these leashes can be connected to make a single lead if you choose to. When you have multiple dogs, having this link feature is extremely useful. You can easily wrap it around your shoulder for a hands-free function, unclip them to make it a handheld leash, or link multiple leashes to walk multiple dogs at your leisure. You can get really creative with this. If you look closely at Yuzu's connection, we have a short clip connected to his collar directly from the leash as a safety net. There were a few times where he somehow managed to slip through the specific harness. We've also seen instances where there are owners chasing their dogs across the fields at this park with the related issue. The market is saturated with many options surrounding dog equipment, most of which are mass-produced, but nothing comes close to what is offered at this shop. Being able to understand how everything is made and the purpose for every component has presented me with another perspective. Having field tested every item rigorously, I can definitely appreciate the value behind this and stand behind their quality. If you're satisfied with my honest review or interested in purchasing equipment from them, please don't forget to drop a like and visit the shop by emailing them. As a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by this shop. This was a discovery I made exploring Osaka during my visit. I'm sharing this information to anyone interested in planning a visit. If you found this honest review useful or interested in purchasing equipment from them, their information can be found in the description below. Thank you for showing your support to my channel. We got a new backpack. Wow, that's pretty. It's cute, isn't it? Ibuki-Chan. You like it? Wow. Wow, this is really cool. Wow, adjustable. And cute little paw prints. Can you reverse this?